In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off daily time limit on your Instagram account. So if you are normally notified that your time limit is up after spending some time on Instagram, it means this time limit was enabled. To disable it, just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So I'll open my app and then go to this profile icon. From here, tap on these three lines to access settings. Now under settings, go to how you use Instagram, and under it you should see time management. If you tap on this, now you can see we have under manage your time, we have daily limit that is turned on. This is the reason you have been receiving those alerts. To turn this off, tap on it to open, and you can see currently I'm limited to 1 hour of time on Instagram per day. To disable or turn it off, now just tap on off, or if you wish to reduce this time, you can reduce or increase the amount of time you spend on Instagram by changing your settings. Now that I've turned it off, I will no longer have reminders that my time is up when I'm using Instagram account. So that's how you can turn off daily time limit on Instagram account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.